What is up everyone? Okay, so today we are going to do a one brand tutorial from Sephora. Okay, so if you are interested, then keep on watching. Okay, these are the products. I do not have a lot of makeup from Sephora brand. Okay, so what I have here is just foundation, bronzing powder, a blush, a lip mousse, glitter, mascara, eyebrow pencil, and I'm pretty sure that Sephora brand carries all affordable makeup. Like when I say Sephora brand, okay, it's generally quite affordable as compared to other brands in Sephora. Okay, so I just want to see and test out the products. Okay, so this is the finished look, and if you like this very fresh natural looking punya look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I have already primed my face, my eyes, and I'm going to move on to the foundation. And so today we are going to use this Best Skin Ever. Okay, this is the long wear foundation, perfect natural finish, anti-pollution. Okay, it's 25 ml, 0.84 fluid ounce. Okay, so what it says is enriched with algae extracts and hyaluronic acids, provides anti-pollution benefits, and 12 hours hydration. Clinically proven to reduce stress, signs of stress and fatigue, which I am currently. Okay, so it has that glass bottle frosted finished. Okay, it comes with a pump, which I really love. Okay, so I'm going to shake this product and I'm going to apply it or put it at the back of my hand. In terms of consistency wise, it is actually quite thick. Okay, so I'm going to use a sponge to apply. Okay, so let's begin, shall we? Okay, so my shade is 23Y. Okay, so this is something that the salesperson chose for me. So let's see if it matches my skin today. Okay, so I do not get like the concealer. I only get like a few things from the Sephora brand. So I just want to see later if this product can actually double up as concealer. Okay, so this is how my skin looks like after just one layer of using it. It is definitely not really able to cover up a lot of things. Okay, first things first is my redness around my nose. Okay, and then it is definitely not able to cover up, like if let's say you have like a very dark eye circle, you're not able to cover up as such. Okay, but as base, this is definitely okay. Okay, so now I'm going to double up as a concealer and see if some areas I am able to cover up and things like that. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I'm just going to dot it as such, and then I'm going to gently pat around the under eyes. Okay, so I'd say if let's say you are looking, if you are used to a very thick concealer or probably a thick foundation, this is definitely not your type. But if let's say that day you have like a very good skin day, this is definitely a good foundation to use. Okay, other than that, if you need something to help you to cover up redness or blemishes, this is definitely not the best foundation to cover up or things like that. I'd say this foundation is for if let's say you have a good skin day and you just need something to just layer it, okay, or things like that as a good base. This is definitely a good foundation to do so. Okay, so it is not medium or full coverage. Okay, this is definitely a very light coverage punya foundation. Okay, so just to let you know, this is what to expect if you are getting this foundation. Okay, so the next product I'm going to use is this Flush Blush. Okay, and it's, okay, what's this? and it's in the shade Red Sunset 02. Okay, so I'm just going to take some and again put it at the back of my hand. Oh, it is definitely very thick. Okay, it is definitely very thick. I'm going to like do swatches first before I apply it on my face. Okay, it's not too bad lah. Okay, once you like really blend them on your face, it can be done. Just that the moment you see this, please don't be shocked. Okay, so now let's apply it on my face. Let's go. See, it's not crazy. Oh my god, I was expecting it to be like really loud, but it's not. It's fine. So I'm going to use the sponge that I use for foundation, and then I'm just going to apply it as such. Okay, so this is how it looks like with just that pea drop of product on my hand and then on my skin. So it has that natural looking punya blush. Okay, so if you are looking for this kind of blush, this is something that you can expect using if you intend to get these. Okay, it's definitely easy to blend. Okay, you can actually just use your finger and just apply it as such. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to try is this, and it's the shimmering bronzing powder. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It is like it has that macam cardboard punya material, so it has like a bit pink and brown. Okay, so I assume you need to definitely like mix them. I do not have my bronzing punya brush because I washed them yesterday, so I'm pretty sure that it's still wet, so it's not the best thing to use. So I'm just going to use like any brush, it's fine. Okay, and then I'm just going to apply my bronzer. Okay, so it's in the shade 01 Clear Light. So I'm not quite sure if I can actually, or you can see it through my camera, because of the because it's light, right? So I'm not quite sure. Okay, I'm not quite sure if this is my shade, so obviously it's not. I'm just going to just give it a try. Okay, it could possibly be the wrong shade for me. Okay, but I am just going to try to make it work. Although it is obvious enough that it's not my shade. Okay, it looks like more like a powder than a bronzing powder. That makes sense. Anyway, it's okay. Okay, so I'm going to also apply it on my eyes. I don't have any eyeshadow today or eyeliner, but I do have like a glitter, a mascara, and a eyebrow pencil to play with later. Okay, can you see any difference? Okay, never mind, move on. Okay, so allow me to move closer to you to see how it looks like. Okay, in the end I use the bronzing powder as my powder. If that makes sense, but it's okay lah. Okay, so far this is how my skin looks like after foundation, blush, and bronzing powder. Okay, so we are going to move on with the brow shaper pencil. Okay, so it comes with a dual-ended punya brush. It has the brush and the pencil at the other end, and the tip for this eyebrow pencil, it is like dia macam teardrop punya shape. Okay, I still don't really know how to appreciate this kind of shape, but it is fine. Okay, and from the shade here, this is something that I don't always use. Like the shade is a bit too warm for me. Okay, let's go. Okay, so it's in the shade Rich Chestnut. Okay. And this is how the shade looks like. Okay, so I have already concealed my eyebrows, okay, and then I have already used this eyebrow pencil, which I find that it is quite soft on me. So basically I have to actually use another eyebrow pencil, and it is actually from Silky Girl, to deepen up at the end here. So but overall it looks quite relatively quite soft on me. So okay, so I'm going to use this next product, and it is the lip blush. It is in the shade 09. Okay, soft matte lip color. Oh, okay, and I'm going to apply it. Oh, okay. 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 This it has that macam mousse punya feel. The scent is not too overpowering, which is good. I really love this kind of scent. Okay, it gives you like a very fresh punya look. Okay, I'd say this is best when, if like let's say you already applied like one layer of another liquid lipstick, this is just macam the top coat of it, because it doesn't really cover your macam the color of your lips. You see, you can see macam it's not that even, if you can like see. But in terms of the formula wise, it is definitely very smooth. Dia macam has that mousse texture again. Okay, and the smell is not too overpowering. So I mean, you can give it a try. Okay, so I have already done my my eyeliner. Okay, and then I'm going to actually use this glitter. Okay, it's the glitter eyeliner, and I'm going to put it on top of my black eyeliner. Okay, so I'm going to do swatches first. Okay. Oh, swatches first. Okay. In terms of the pigmentation, how is it like? So it has that macam chunk of glitter to it. Okay, let's just give it a try, shall we? Okay, I'm going to put it on top of my black eyeliner to see. Okay, so this is how the glitter looks like. What I like about this product itself is that it has this very fine punya brush, and with this brush you can actually use it like for macam very detailed punya area, which I really love. Okay, and then yeah, it looks very festive. Okay, so this is how it looks like. The last product, which is the mascara. So this is the mascara that was recommended to me by the salesperson, and it is the Mascara Volume Effect, or Panoramic Effect Volume Mascara. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Let's see. Oh, okay, So dia punya bristles, it's very plasticky. Okay, I will definitely use this mascara for my lower lashes. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I have already completed my whole look. Okay, so this is how it looks like at the end. Okay, I definitely look very fresh here. Okay, so yeah, okay, let's move on to what are the things that I would highly recommend. Okay, so what I like about this mascara is that dia punya, macam kirakan dia punya length here is not too long. Okay, so I am actually able to do my mascara without like, you know, messing it around. So this is something that I love. Okay, and I love the formula. It is not too runny and it's not too heavy. Okay, so it has like just enough formula for me to, you know, do my mascara and things like that. Okay, so the next product that I will recommend is the glitter. Okay, surprisingly, this is something that I will highly recommend because of the brush itself. It is able to, you know, to help me like, you know, do like all the details punya work and things like that. Okay, so I like. Okay, so the next product that I will highly recommend is this lip blush. This is for someone who just want a natural finish, looking very, you know, macam after you exfoliate your lips and you want to make it more flushed. So this is something that I will highly recommend. I also love the formula. Okay, I doubt it's long lasting. Okay, because it's transfer proof. It's not transfer proof. Okay, because it's not transfer proof. So yeah, okay, this is just FYI. Okay, so the next product I would highly recommend is this foundation. Is for someone I don't see. Okay, allow me to say this. Okay, this foundation is not for someone who has dry skin or dry patches, because it clearly will clunk or macam makes it more exaggerated. As I was applying my foundation, I just leave it as such. I did not set. Okay, I just want to see how well this foundation is. Okay, if like let's say you have like the best skin day and you have like a bit of, you know, oil combination skin, this is definitely for you. But for dry skin, this is definitely not for you, because if you can tell from here, the product sits on your skin, so macam it makes you macam a bit more exaggerated macam dia. And I guess that's all that I would highly recommend. So give it a try and let me know. Yeah, so there you have it. Okay, so one brand tutorial from Sephora. Okay, so if you like this video, please do like, share or comment in the comment section down below to let me know what are the next product that you want to see. Okay, so see you in my next video. Bye bye.